Amazon Simple Notification Service. What's this? It's a service provided by Amazon Web Services that allows to send notifications from the cloud to different applications or users. It's a messaging service. So it's like a virtual messaging service that lets you publish messages to a topic which is either a logical access point and communication channel, and then the subscribers can receive those messages through different endpoints such as email, mobile push notifications, SMS, HTTP, through a web page, and more. Okay, it can have several outputs. These yeah, I'll give you some examples so it's clearer. For example, alerting. Let's say you have a monitoring system that needs to send alerts to different teams or individuals when certain events occur, such as serving a server that went down. So you need to send an alert right away, or a threshold being exceeded. Something in your server has too much usage, so you want to send a message very fast to the people in charge of maintenance of the server, right? So they take action because it's down or it's going too high. You can use Amazon SNS to publish messages to that topic, which the subscribers can receive through different endpoints, through the email or the cell phone. This way you can ensure that the right people are notified in a timely manner, very fast. Another example, fan out. Let's say you have a system that needs to distribute messages to a large number of subscribers, such as news updates or social media posts. You can use the Amazon SNS to publish messages to a topic, and they'll receive it through whatever medium you decide that they will receive it. And you can use it to reach a wide audience. For example, another example, using workflow. Let's say you have a workflow system that needs to relay events among distributed computer applications, move data between data stores, or update records in business systems. You can use Amazon SNS to publish messages to a topic which subscribers can receive through different endpoints, such as the one we covered in last video, which is Amazon SQS. This system can send messages to the queue, also to the Amazon SQS. It can communicate with other systems in Amazon's, or to AWS Lambda, which is it's a service that I'll just explain it briefly, which only operates a piece of code. You can send a piece of code to this service, the Lambda service. It executes the code and it gives you back the result, or it not necessarily, or just executes the code. So you can use the SNS system to just tell Lambda, execute this code, and that's it. So when something happens, the message system can go to Lambda, can go to users, send them an email, whatever you program this to do. And this way you can ensure that the workflow system is decoupled and scalable, meaning it unclogs. You're helping the system not have to deal with it, because it's already the back end of Amazon. The SNS is already dealing with it. It can help your application unload the weight, if that clarifies. So, well, overall, Amazon Simple Notification Service is a powerful and flexible messaging service that can help you build and scale distributed systems, microservices, and serverless applications. I hope that clarified a bit. You can research more in the documentation of Amazon, of course, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks, guys.